In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF pass to your Google Wallet. This is a really handy feature that lets you store and easily access your important documents and passes right from your phone. Whether it's a boarding pass, a loyalty card, or any other type of pass, it's all possible with just a few taps. So, let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First things first, you'll want to open up your Google Wallet. You can find this app on most Android devices or by downloading it from the Play Store if you haven't done so already. Once you've opened the app, you'll be greeted by your home screen, the hub that organizes all your cards and passes. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate even if you're new to it. Next, direct your attention to the section for passes and cards. This is where all the digital versions of your physical cards and passes are neatly stored. It's organized and accessible, ensuring you can quickly find what you're looking for whenever you need it. To add something new, locate and click on the option that says Add a Pass. This step marks the beginning of incorporating a new document into your digital wallet. It's a straightforward process, but one that adds immense convenience to your day-to-day life. After you've clicked on Add a Pass, you'll be presented with different options, one of which is Add a Pass. It might sound repetitive, but stick with me here. This confirms your choice to proceed with adding a new document. Now, you'll be prompted to select the type of pass you want to add. Since we're focusing on adding a PDF pass, you'll want to choose that option. If you've been issued a boarding pass or event ticket as a PDF, this is the perfect selection for you. Once you choose PDF, you'll have the option to either scan the document or manually enter its details. If you choose to scan, ensure your device's camera is steady and the document is visible within the frame for an accurate capture. Alternatively, manually inputting the details can be just as effective, especially if you'd like to ensure everything is entered perfectly. After entering the necessary details, take a moment to double-check everything. Verification is crucial here. Mistakes can mean the pass won't be accepted later on. Once you're confident that all the information is correct, go ahead and save it. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've successfully added a PDF pass to your Google Wallet. Now, you can access it anytime, directly from your phone, saving you from the hassle of rifling through emails or searching for that elusive piece of paper. It's all right there, organized and ready when you need it. Happy organizing!